Hey guys, my name is Eric and today we are gonna buy every stock Jeremy says it's stock to buy. If you don't know Jeremy, he has a huge channel about finance on YouTube called Financial Education. He's posting these videos, top stocks to buy, and today he just uploaded 7 high growth stocks to buy mid-late September. For the record, I love this guy, I watch him all the time. So I just decided, let's make a little experiment. Let's buy all these stocks what he's recommending in this video.
Well guys, here today we're gonna talk about 7 high growth stocks that are gonna be beasts in future years in my opinion, okay? All 7 of these high growth stocks I'm gonna share with you here today are expected to grow by at least 10% plus next year. And some of these are expected to grow between 20% and all the way over 100% next year. Yes, you heard me right. One of these stocks is actually expected to grow over 100% next year, okay? All 7 stocks are almost impossible, in my opinion, to lose money in over the next 5 years. Not every investment you ever make in the stock market will always work out. All 7 stocks have the possibility to increase by at least 50% to 250% plus. Now, before we get into this, do not just buy these stocks because of this video. Do not just buy stocks because of this video, okay? Let's get rolling, okay? Stock number 1 of 7 up here is Slack Technologies. Ticker symbol on this is WORK. This is actually a service that is pretty integral with our actual business. Like, I use it every single day to communicate with many different people. We have a coaches chat now, so all the 7-figure coaches and I can easily communicate with each other, share documents back and forth, talk about different things rather than like through emails and text messages and all that kind of like more old school things. And if you got several people inside a company, like you don't really want everybody texting you all the time. Company reported a GAAP net loss of 73 million, but that's versus 360 million the previous year. So there's a mass increase in the business getting closer and closer to profitability, okay? And in 2021, I actually believe there's a decent probability that Slack WORK, okay, will end up actually making a slight profit. Now, when it comes to balance sheet around this company, phenomenal $1.5 billion plus in cash and cash equivalents. They do have $630 million of long-term debt at very low interest rate. They could pay off that debt tomorrow and still have $900 million in cash sitting around, cash and basically short-term investments. So they're in a very nice financial position. Let's just put it that way. Now, 2020 through 2030, this is going to be a growth beast decade for Slack, okay?
Okay, I have never heard about Slack. Never heard about this company.
Let's get into stock number 2 of 7. It is Dropbox, a cloud provider. Ticker symbol DBX on this one. This stock is under $20 right now. This stock I really, really like, okay?
Did he say, I really, really like this one?
Next one up here, you know what? You guys like to make easy money. Be honest. Do you like to make easy money? Because this stock is, it's pretty easy money, okay? Facebook is stock number 3 of 7. I've been calling this stock easy money since it was $100-something a share, okay? And guess what? I'm going to be calling this stock easy money all the way until it's $400 plus a share. And here today in the 200s, it's still dang easy money, okay? I mean, I'm up $42,000 plus.
Okay, this one is super easy for me because Facebook is my biggest position in my real portfolio. Really, it's my biggest position. I own it like for 4 years and I doubled my money on Facebook already, so I have no problem with buying more Facebook. Hey, this one is awesome. Let's go.
The FB is silly value, okay? It's a 25 forward P on this company. We're talking about one of the safest business models in the entire world, in my personal opinion. I mean, just year after year, what do? They keep their users. The user numbers grow daily, monthly. It doesn't matter, okay? People continue to use FB. People continue to use IG. People continue to use WhatsApp with amazing growth. Next year, this company should grow revenues at 24% plus, okay? Amazing growth. And this company will continue to grow for years to go in the future. And I'm talking about high level growth, like 10% plus revenue for as far as I can see. They have a top 5 best balance sheet of any public company in the entire world, okay?
Alright, to be honest, I really love Facebook as well. I wouldn't be so sure like Jeremy, like he says it's impossible that you will lose money in the future. Everything is possible from my perspective. expensive, but I believe in it as well, like he does, because great balance sheet, great potential, and I also know it from the other side because I am influencer on Instagram, right? On Facebook, I was using Facebook back in the days. 8 years ago when we were pushing YouTube videos through Facebook. I use Facebook ads. I know everything about this business. It's not only Facebook, it's Facebook, Instagram. They also own WhatsApp. They are diversifying in case something happens, you know. And Instagram is like top social media right now, right? I love it so much, Instagram, so that's why I want to put my money in Instagram as well. But it can also happen something because it's based on advertisement, right? An advertisement can go down, not only up. If there is financial crisis, companies will not have money for spending, it will go a little bit down, like we saw for example on YouTube, right? From that case, I'm not 100% sure, but I am 99, like 98, 90% sure I will have more money in Facebook in the future. This is not financial advice. Don't do it like Jeremy says. Don't buy stocks if someone tell you. Bye.
Stock number 4 is a company named Upwork, ticker symbol UPWK. This stock hasn't done anything since its IPO. You know, this one went IPO like 2 years ago, right? Upwork should, continue to grow double digits plus for years and years and years to go in the future. The freelancing economy is about to go crazy from 2020 through 2030, okay?
If you don't know Upwork, you know Fiverr, right? It's this site for freelancers, and there is also Upwork. Jeremy is talking about Upwork, and if he says let's buy it, Upwork, we got it.
It is a company named Box, ticker symbol Box. So let me be very clear. I like Dropbox better, okay? I like Dropbox as a better play. I feel safer in Dropbox.
Okay, Jeremy feels better with Dropbox, so I'm not interested in Box. This video is clickbait now if I don't buy it, right?
Planet 13 Holdings, ticker symbol PLNHF. This is the highest growth company I will talk about on this list, okay? P13, in my opinion, is a huge winner the next 5+ years, okay? No doubt about it.
Las Vegas marijuana dispensary. Oh.
Cheesecake, okay, let's go to the next slide. Factory. Let's go back. Cheesecake Factory. Yes, the Cheesecake Factory. Ticker symbol cake on this one is stock number 7 of 7. This is a company that will grow quite nicely over the next few years, in my personal opinion. I'm not selling out of this stock anytime soon. If anything, I'm probably more interested in buying rather than selling. And as things continue to open back up, and hopefully, the Rona numbers won't go crazy next year or something like that. Hopefully that will stay down. This company should be very, very profitable.
Alright guys, I managed to get Planet 13 on my other account, and I already own the Cheesecake Factory. So here we go. Let's see this. Alright guys, so I created our Jeremy Top Stocks experiment, and here we go. Cheesecake, Dropbox, Facebook, Planet 13, Upwork, and Slack Technologies. I weighted each one almost the same. Our portfolio is worth $3,472. I just invested this one real money in this experiment, and we will see. Alright guys, now let's be serious a little bit. Don't do it like this. Don't buy stocks like this. What is Jeremy saying is true. You shouldn't buy it like this. Even he is giving you a recommendation. You shouldn't do it like this. You have to do your own research. You have to see if it fits your strategy. There is much more about it. Don't do it like this. I just did this video for entertainment purposes. That is definitely not financial advice. This is not financial advice. I just invested a little bit of my money. It's just a little bit of my portfolio, so it doesn't hurt me. But I'm interested in this experiment to track this portfolio, because Jeremy was quite confident that it's gonna go really well in the future. So I am really curious how it's gonna go, and we will track this on this channel. So subscribe this channel if you are new here. Once again, I really like Jeremy. I hope it didn't look like I was making fun of it. No, I was just making fun of this experiment, not of Jeremy. Jeremy is a really great guy. I love this guy. I'm watching him all the time because he's giving so much value. I'm learning from him so much, and I understand that if he gives a recommendation, it's my responsibility to act on it or not. Even though if it doesn't go well, it doesn't mean anything. I will be still watching Jeremy because he's an awesome guy and he's teaching me a lot. There's many people on the internet analyzing stock, giving advices. You never know for 100% what's gonna happen, so you have to take your own responsibility. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will be definitely doing more serious videos. This one was just a little bit crazy today, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye.